Good morning everyone. In today's era, professional skills are very important along with the technical skills. Looking at that approach, this time I have offered the course on leadership. The name was The Art of Leadership. In this course, students were exposed to basic leadership skills, leaderships with ethics, and how leaders behave in their organization and how they bring the change. Leadership is all about challenging the status quo, and hence students were exposed to different leaders which are there in different sectors. They read them, they researched about these leaders. The curriculum was designed to give students an idea about what do you mean by leadership, what is ethics and the leadership, what is the essence of leadership, how leaders behave in their organization, how do they manage organization and people. Leadership is all about managing people. The most important topic of this course was to understand the leadership from the perspective of Bhagavad Geeta. I am an avid reader of Bhagavad Geeta, and hence I have always seen Bhagavad Geeta from the management perspective. It helps a lot us to live a very good life and a lot of professional skills as well you can learn from this book. Apart from that, we have taken a lot of case studies from the Harvard Business Review, and we have also invited guest faculties who are leader in their different sectors. And I am sure that our students have learned a lot from this course and they have enjoyed it thoroughly, because this course was completely offered in a studio mode. I wish all my students a great success, and you can hear about their feedback, what they have learned and achieved through this course.
Namaste everyone, my name is 𝗏𝘁 and I was the teaching assistant for The Art of Leadership, an elective offered by Professor Sandeep Vasant sir. Our objective was to inculcate a sense of leadership amongst the students and prepare them for the future. Other than regular lectures, we also had guest lectures and a few activities planned, which was really helpful for the students. I had a memorable experience working with Sandeep sir. I got to learn a lot with him, and under his guidance, we prepared a lot of presentations, a lot of lectures, which was a great means to educate the students.
Hello everyone, I'm Yashika Sharma and I'm happy to share my experience with the Art of Leadership elective. This course was a complete package, seamlessly blending theory with practical application. What set it apart was the incorporation of leadership lessons from the Bhagavad Geeta, providing a timeless and profound perspective on leadership. This course was just not about lectures. We delved into real-world scenarios and simulations, putting our learning into action. Reflecting on the course, I realized it has significantly influenced my professional approach. And it's just not a course, it's an experience that reshapes how you approach leadership.
Hello, I am Maria, talking about the course The Art of Leadership. The curriculum of this course completely exceeded my expectations. Through studying the life events of historical leaders, we were exposed to the practical insights into leadership dynamics. One thing I confidently assert is that this course has completely altered my outlook on professional duties. Now I see my future endeavors with renewed sense of responsibility and broader understanding of leadership qualities. And I definitely look forward to applying these lessons in my career. Thank you.